taariikhda la aasaasay sanadka la aasaasay iyo xilliga la aasaasay. Kooxooyin badan oo waxaa jiraan maanta la yaqaano oo aad ciyaartooy fara badan soo mareen, waxay ku sameeyaan taariikhda ciyaartooyda soo maray, magaca ku lahaa.
laga sheekeyn kulamada aad waaweyn ee ku dhici kara Otadere Stadium dhammaan waxaana kooxooyinka iyo ciyaartooyda aad ka tayada iyo kartida u leh mar waliba inay soo bandhigaan ciyaarada.
Sending code DMs and running paid ads is a complete waste of time if you don't have this one thing in place. And this is the same thing that guys like Mangaji, Alex Omozi, or Luke Belworth used to make millions of dollars online. It's a super strong personal brand using content to get attention, nurture their audience, and then they just sell something in the back end.
In another video, I've explained the market index, and you can see how powerful a tool that is to allow us and our members to be able to make money consistently from the markets. There are two strategies, the Newton and the Da Vinci, which we also stream live, which are algorithms that use the market index data in two different ways.
What's your main focus right now, like work-wise?
Main focus right now, like now that my agency, like I can kind of scale myself away from it. My main focus right now is just like personal branding, just creating content because there's just so much value. I mean, you see Mr. Beast, the billionaire now, with Kylie Jenner, like all these people, like the new wave is content, and all the guys, like even Iman and these guys that tell you how great it is to start an agency, they're going all in on content.
अगर viewers को अपनी videos पर रोकना चाहते हो, तो use these animated emojis in your videos. वेलकम टू डे 14 ऑफ माई सीरीज डिजाइन 101। अगर आपको भी ऐसे एनिमेटेड इमोजीज चाहिए तो कमेंट करें एनिमेटेड, और इन एनिमेटेड इमोजीज का डाउनलोड लिंक डायरेक्ट आपके डीएम में आ जाएगा।